Welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an image inside text and decorate it with some festive elements. It's quick, fun, and perfect for creating something eye-catching. First, I'm opening Canva and setting up a new artboard. I usually go for 1920 by 1080 pixels, but you can choose any size that works for your project. Now on the left side, I'm selecting the Apps section and searching for the Font Frame feature. This tool is fantastic. It lets you add images directly into your text. For this example, I'm typing Xmas since I'm in a festive mood today. You can type anything you like and then choose the perfect image to insert. Once the image is added, use your mouse to adjust it inside the text. You can also add outlines to the font if you want, but I'm going to keep it simple and leave it without outlines for now. Next, I'll adjust the size of the text and make sure everything fits nicely. It's all about experimenting with dimensions until it looks just right. Now, let's move on to decorating. From the Elements section, I'm searching for some ornaments to place around the design. I'm adding a few at the top and behind the text to give it a more festive and layered look. To add some extra magic, I'll search for snowfall elements and adjust them to fit the background. It's such a simple touch, but it really brings the design to life. Finally, I'll go back and tweak the placement of the ornaments to make sure everything is balanced and visually appealing. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated text design with an image inside. It's quick, easy, and looks amazing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative tips and tricks. Let's keep designing together.